everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious fruit salad or fruit chaat. Very tasty. It's a super yum. Or try it differently. Like get some ice cream, get some fruit salad, add some mango chunks on top of it. It's very delicious and very healthy too. So without wasting any time, let's get started. These are the things I'm going to use. Store-bought mangoes, avocados. These are from my garden. Grapes, pomegranate, I have two kind, pear. These are pears. I have so many grapes. They are so sweet. They are looking so good. All the branches are loaded with grapes. They are really sweet. And then we're going to use olives and garbanzos. These are pre-cooked, so I'm going to open these both cans and we're going to wash with the cold water. We're going to use some long English cucumbers. These are organic. We can garnish with lemon juice, the chaat masala. So the first step will be washing up the cucumbers, garbanzos, olives, and mango. All the fruits and vegetable are washed with cold water. Now we're going to cut it. So we're going to discard the front end and I'm going to use this much. So cut it into like a cube size pieces. This is a perfect size. After taking out the seeds, now we're going to do the same thing. About same size cut. These pears, they are fresh from the tree. If you leave it a couple days outside on your countertop, then they get more ripened. I always prefer like this kind of pear. I don't like mushy pear. When you're making a fruit salad, try to use the one is form. The preparation is always takes longer. But once you are done with it, wow, then you enjoy it. When you take the avocado, get a spoon and place the spoon just like this and then start going at the bottom. See how perfectly smooth it came out. And now you can leave it inside just like this. Use your knife and do the cut just like this. You can put it on your cutting board. Just make sure that don't cut yourself. So this is perfect, nice size pieces. Same process. So once we scoop out, then on the cutting board, you can cut it like this. With the mangoes. And the mangoes are my favorite. These are very delicious mangoes. And same thing we need to do. Just place it on the cutting board. You can do like this. Turn it on. And if you look at these, look at these. This is the perfect, nice pieces. Get the spoon, and these are already cut. So you can take the chunks out like this. You see? Nice cube size pieces. Now get the mixing bowl. Olives, you always can cut it in half. That is fine. You can make a 4-cut or whatever, but I prefer the whole olive. This is the way I like it. So these garbanzos are pre-cooked, as I mentioned, and these are really good. Mango chunks, avocados, cucumber, pear. Same thing with the grapes. If you want to cut it in half, you can do that, but I prefer this way. I have two kinds of pomegranate, red and the white color. I'm going to use this one. And we're going to toss them just like this. Mix them. After mixing it, you can adjust whatever you like. I'm going to add some more grape. Small amount of lemon juice. Mix it again one more time. And now the chaat masala. Mix it one more time. When you are adding a chaat masala, you need to mix it a couple times before you get on all the pieces. Don't sprinkle too much at one place. Just sprinkle lightly, just like this, and then mix it. Wow, this looks so delicious. This is so easy to make. Now the serving time. Fruit chaat or fruit salad. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's very tasty and very nutritious, very healthy fruit salad, fruit chaat. As you've seen, it does not take that long to make it, but it's very healthy. And you can serve it any time of the day. Kids will love it. Please try it and comment below how you like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, please subscribe to my channel, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.